Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add friends in Knives Out. Adding friends in Knives Out lets you team up, chat and enjoy battles together. So first of all, open up the Knives Out game on your mobile device and then log in using your preferred account. From the main lobby screen, tap on the two human icon at the top right corner and this will open up the Friends tab. Go to the Find Friends tab on the left inside menu and you can also find friends recommended to you using your GPS and finding the players that are nearby you. Tap on the plus icon with a human in it right next to the player you want to add as a friend. Now you can go ahead and send a greeting to the other party by typing it in the text box and tapping on Send Application. Once your friend accepts the invite, you will then be able to be friends on Knives Out. You can also search for the name of the person you are trying to add. Go to the Search By tab at the top of the screen and type in the name of the player or their player ID. You can also filter search for the person by choosing from the male or female option, select if someone is a mutual friend, search for someone from the mutual friend list, city, tier, etc. After finding the contact, tap on their name and this will open up their profile. Click on Add Friends at the top right corner to start adding them as your friend. Repeat the same step by typing in your greeting and tapping on Send Application, and that's it. That is how you easily send friend requests on Knives Out. You can also go ahead and look for the Recent Match tab on the left hand side and add friends from the Recent Match category. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.